Right?
A beautiful Thursday morning here
Right.
at 51 Waiman Road in Suba.
Look at the sunshine.
Yeah, totoo mo tilbay to kanina matakendai.
Right.
Hindi niluto na turang rua.
Iyo.
Totoo na mo ni sote.
Iyo.
Kumain ng tao.
Na piggy ko.
Ano na usara nga?
Na Pig Thursday.
Ano usara?
Iya.
Rerenak.
Sabi na kada cuma sabi so taga cuma nare-re ni bulan ng ko.
Right.
May baka nare-re ni bi kambula.
Right.
Kena no bembuli nanto ni bembuli.
Totoo ka?
Iyo.
Totoo ka sana nga?
Yo, ko may lolambu.
Iya.
Ko sa lolo tunga.
Iya.
Iya.
Eh?
Kerau tutu bata.
Siya. Iko lolo lebu.
Lolo lebu ko na uda. Excuse me.
Ya na naman kasi betul betul basi taxi na minibus motoka mo ito kaya mano ni bila katian na bukan ni bibal levian na mataka ni kuwa mo na mga.
Iya.
Tuindu yan dumi toka ni boli makina may Barara Valley Road may singa toka.
Ha.
May ano ni may John Kumar.
Mel na dale mumbola na kay nongo
Right.
wala usar ndo bata boli mai. And not forgetting,
Ayo.
I would like to dedicate this song to this Utspalangi.
Right.
To all the fire station.
Okay.
To gang ni Mbokombuka.
Iya.
Tomorrow too
Iya.
is the pass out happening in Tongalebu.
Oi.
Totoo Naval Base.
Yeah.
Oh.
They will happening there. They
Right.
pass out
Right.
to the fire station in Lami.
Right.
To Sela Sabinako and the family of the Lami Fire Station.
Right.
Ano na?
To STO,
Right.
Lami Fire Station Mbongi,
Iya.
may nasino boto ni Tomba.
Right.
Oh.
And SO na Ingato.
Right.
Turanga Tobata.
Yeah.
And all the boys
Yeah.
for the Lami Fire Station.
Right.
And all the fire station.
Yeah.
They are around the country where
Right.
they belong. They
Right.
are Ralay Buli Kina.
Right.
Na Nagengo.
Right.
Tomorrow
Yeah.
is their day of the pass out.
Hey,
Okay.
ano na, to
Kala
the-
seru.
Yeah, family and friends of the new recruits.
Right.
Well, looking forward to the big day tomorrow.
Right.
Kita sama kan di suka di Bekemni.
Iyo.
And singa tali, singa nama kini mataka.
Iya.
Ini kita betumai ini bida betumai nak kemni tambahan na Facebook page.
Doon namin nagsala, doon namin nagsala.
Dorang ngone baka nung itu.
Right. Myself, tomorrow I'll try my very best to go to Tongaliw.
Oh.
Yeah.
Isa, bila boleh besar.
They never ask you to join.
Because I told them when I second to my brother Sela Sabinako,
Iyo.
I like this. Obi,
Yeah.
Buluti.
Oh.
Buluti on the fire.
You was one the water, eh?
Iya.
Huh?
Water of the fire.
Who?
You.
Ano guy?
Ano tunggu na Demesi?
Iya.
Atau kau sakar ni bulat sungguh.
Karun ni bulat.
Sambulo si dorang ngone.
Right.
Sa sakar may bulat talengo.
Iya, tebor main.
Iya. Nangono na bulan na bukan pinggir rabi na tambahan ni Faya,
Iya.
bukan nangona ya.
Iya.
Sebenarnya kino spike.
May labas ya?
Melambas.
Ah.
Ortol lang nga ng pasinuay.
Iya.
Sempat sini drain.
Iya.
Ortol ichilo manoy.
Sila manoy, kami
Iya,
kabura.
sila main.
Nabu. Bersama kakonitan lo ya, now when the hot spring from Dongya,
Iya.
The hot spring from Dongya.
Iya.
We got one hot spring in Dongya when Nunumbua.
Oi.
Hey,
We got one hot spring there.
you want to beat some
Not beat Sabu. This the story about when the olden days the
Stop telling lies, Dennis.
Warna bu, eh?
Kere.
Nada tadi bu lagi.
Irna bu.
The bus.
The bus. From the one day there was a abu
Iya.
was you collecting the hot spring
Yeah.
inside the mouth.
Iya. Kau na ko tulun siko.
Akumbuta tumay naway
Iyo.
na nabungo.
Right.
Iya.
So when he used the mouth to collect the water
Yeah.
Iya.
and he wants to pass Wainunu
Right.
to go right far behind another village.
Iya.
So the one bull from that area
Yeah.
From
was
Wanunu.
was doing the segi. Me bala salas tendi be koya.
Okay.
Oi.
Bekuma.
Iya.
They
Kuma.
mouth to mouth.
Multumo merowi mbo. Bekuma baka mendrende no nene kumbu ya manita sobo kosukini dong ya.
Iya.
Na hot spring.
Oi.
So, laugh.
The bull off
Yeah.
and the water splashed down.
Iyo.
When the water splashed down,
Yeah.
he didn't reach his destination.
Yeah.
The water fall off there.
Yeah.
The hot spring nowadays in Dongya.
Wada now.
Oi.
So
That's
the
a story.
who's doing the segi
Iya.
Yeah.
is a smart woo.
Eh, buelewa.
Eh?
Smart.
Buelewa ni wenunu.
Yeah,
Wala
smart.
si butangan ni.
Ausengan berang ni uray la.
Masuat, bangga.
Manganga me tinta la bakan round.
But the segi ya.
Yeah.
Ya mal ubu may dong ya.
Yeah.
Kwa koto siguro the what you call the hot water,
Yeah.
hot spring.
Hot spring.
Butangani.
Yeah.
So that means the wenunu is the buelewa.
This is not
Eh?
This village abu
Okay.
Not because we don't know
Yeah.
But if you want to know the butangane of Buelewa,
Yeah.
I beg you to.
Yeah.
I beg you to.
What?
You just go.
Yeah.
we see the main one. The main one na bure-bure. The one without clothes. That's the main man. If you want to know, this one a female or male? If like that, you just go to na bure-bure.
Good morning. Very good morning to all the members of the Fiji team.
Right.
Preparing for the game this weekend.
Perth.
The first game is against Uruguay.
Right.
Second game is at 7:55 p.m.
Right.
on the 24th. Kenya.
Right.
The last pool game with New Zealand
Right.
at 4:22 p.m.
Right.
We came to the boys.
Naka.
And Matakaniko. And what happened to your tutu? I mean, I had the story.
Okay.
He was sick yesterday.
Mata na memen daw bula binaka to the family from this one from Oitambu.
Yeah.
Heritaria
Yeah.
bula binaka ta my grace
There's
ta
one
my
video
masi.
going viral on Facebook.
Yeah.
Which some of the
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
after
we-
andre na nga mo deng 2 days ago.
Iyo.
After andre na nga mo deng we finished nga we went.
Iyo.
So the fella
Yeah.
forgot his phone inside the studio.
Oi.
So they changing eyes.
Iyo.
Rawi so yan ra.
Yeah.
What kay Samu.
Change shift.
Change shift.
Right.
When they change shift,
Yeah.
Tua forgot his phone in the
Studio.
In the studio. So when he forgot his phone in the studio,
Yeah.
he went home. He looked at his pocket.
Yeah.
Oh, the phone gone.
Myself and the Messi and the studio. After that, we went straight home.
Oi.
The fella came back here.
Oi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do some job again.
Yeah.
And the fella came later.
Yeah.
He went to Nandi yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday he went to Nandi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when he went to the home,
Iyo.
mula bila ka momo banganji joining this morning to momo akula banganji. Thank you very much
Right.
for joining this morning la Utspalangi.
Yeah.
Then after that,
Yeah.
Tua using trying his very best to connect somebody's
Locate the phone.
to locate the phone.
Yeah.
But he use Mrs.
No
phone.
GPS, eh?
Alam mo na lori.
Okay. Then.
Yeah.
So after that, this one used the phone.
Yeah.
So he used the phone. Mrs. Randua to call Tua's number.
Yeah.
So Samu was here.
Yeah.
And Samu video.
Oi.
Like video him while before he receiving the phone.
Okay.
Okay. He knew Michael will call.
Will call.
Yeah.
So when the number is written there, Mrs.
Yeah.
Then he call.
Yeah.
He call hello?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Samu.
Change the voice.
Yes, change the
Samu
voice.
change the voice, yeah.
Change the voice into one of our McKinley link. Doon na ba, suwe? Isa din ko matikan. Ngayon din ko matinin ko sa
Yeah.
hirsi bita phone.
Yeah.
Kwa may saw.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Samu?
Yeah.
Samu? Konbat kare?
Samu.
Samu?
Yeah.
Konbat kare? Who's this?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You want to talk to? This is my phone. The owner of the phone. I lost my phone. I lost my phone.
Yeah.
Asin meron yo Samu.
Yeah. Are?
Are!
Yeah.
Who's this?
Yeah.
Asin meron mo... Where is this?
Yeah.
Kwa may sandua.
Yeah.
Yeah.
O tua.
Yeah.
Asin meron no Samu.
Yeah.
This is Wemanu Apartment Hotel. Samu is figuring out
Hotel or motel?
the motel. Rawa-rawa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
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 Esa ba ng motel?
So rawa-rawa. Ang kata-kata ko Samu, the timing
Yeah.
Yeah.
moving from here to there 40 minutes.
Right.
This is the time.
Right.
Pasarang ko daw bunit yung nasukamber. Then after that,
Yeah.
the fella asking,
Yeah.
who said I'm coming to the Wemanu apartment?
Yeah.
You the tall guy?
Asim bersaro semua.
Huh?
Are you just came here a few hours ago?
Yeah.
You just came here to our where?
Yeah.
I never come there.
Tumbikal hai.
Asim bersaro no Samu. Tol ka tum?
Yeah.
Asim bermo ka. Heya, tol ka. Vehicle?
Yeah.
You come here with a vehicle?
Your own vehicle, eh?
Your own vehicle?
Yeah.
Never, no, I never come there. Loudspeaker tu na talibun may bali. Kabaro ko tal tungar tu na
Tarra ko mo tua. Where's this? Atu ko no sa manaka.
Iya, where's this?
Atu ko ko sirkila.
Waimanu apartment. Waimanu apartment hotel.
Where's that?
Guys takin bulan-bulan serangan untuk hotel ka tunggu. Where's that? I don't know.
Arsa ko manangon.
Arthur Rumana, Waimanu apartment hotel. Abo serangan ma yo o Mrs. May bali. O ko nga tungo re sa nung to ni. And the fella didn't recognize Samu's voice, but Samu was talking in another form.
Change it.
Are you just come here? Are you radio? You working in the radio station?
Samu talking like Rakesh.
Yeah, Rakesh. You working in the radio station? Yeah, I'm working in the radio station.
Yeah.
Are my brother. Are my brother. You just came here at our apartment hotel. You just came here Waimanu apartment hotel a few hours ago. You forgot your phone here. Are you come here with one girl? You come here with one girl. As in beramo tolo. Are I never come there. Who's this? Masar nga kasi ni beramo ko. Who's this? Who's this? Nere sarang Sam. When Sam was laughing, the fall was bless Sam. Ko bebe Sam vida na po sa lalim. Tua yesterday was class maragi.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you want to check out the conversation, the prank call from Samu to Mike from Mayo. Yesterday, it's in our Facebook page.
Right.
Usabangan ko nanon yo kalong sumbi nandi. Usabangan ko pero lerongo. Sini malalo tua. Elakon din nandi se bakas di walimbula.
Paano sabi maramat na kalit sinay sa pa orang sabi kina kere. Pente kinum do talu.
A video nakakene tu gorne YouTube kere misal nga kinako komel. Wheels on the bus. Alle wakam dia. Wakam dia. Tum tol guy na. Tol guy. You got a vehicle? Are my brother. You just came here a few hours ago with one girl. Who's this? Matani kuha endanan ramataki Lazarus ay nakambulat na may namati. Matani kuha endanan ramataki Lazarus ay nakambulat na may namati. Basta wabo kibula-bula tunay.
Sa kira-kira juga bisa. Tangga rauni. Tinito na nabugalisin.
Una no may bali ni mosto nga nakita din.
Oh, baka samta ka? Pero madaw to na matay tuturang ko na ya.
Iyo. Na ituko-tuko ya linggo matoko nan raki visa ungo na to lumakatun. Ray kata na fen. Binabalabu, thank you to Punjas. Thank you.
Celebrating 90 years.
Lucy bang Diyos ano gitu.
Lagi. May grace. Oh, so, ya, nabikin mo na kanta so naka nasa nga nakabinono. Ano lo man studio ko? Sa coach kaya. So kung dala na bulit talaga may kinaso ng malmalum. Sin malmalum eh. So nalulung gala na iba.
Napad na kay matosap mo may ba kung kilabi lang nando mo na? O kurang mo itaga, ang gorong-goro. Misang ni tararo ka nando mo isam.
Isang bata ni Chuy ka maramat ng gali.
Nakakakaya, kaya pakando na kapandiniti ko sa natumbo sa rangay ka. Lay,
Mana ba?
Nag-elekta kasi yata ito nanonda malum na turang.
Kaya bilay siya dia. Posa ta sarga may loma ya.
Binabale mo ni kalong ata siya ito nanonda layo. Malum-malum mo, na kita lebun. Binabale mo. Demis.